small part of the tunnel, but inside have the light.
I met a fellow cycling enthusiast and we took a picture together by the river, aimed to honor the martyrs who bravely sacrificed their lives for national liberation.
Look at the view behind me.
Also known as the Three Gorges Tourist Center. After having my ticket checked, I boarded a lift-equipped carriage that would take us down to the dock below.
Hello guys, so now I'm cycling to the train station. I need to remove my front tires of this bicycle. So right now I already parking my bicycle in front of the train station. I'm planning to remove the front tire of this bicycle. So my train still have like 2 hours. It's close to like 3 p.m. We'll dispatch from here. It's super heavy. So now I'm gonna take the bicycle. This bag I make the wrong. Should be reversed. This big hole should be towards the ground. So I made a mistake. Here is my bicycle. Everything's good. So I plan to install my front tires here. I'm already out of the station, and here I make all my equipment, all my gears already set up. Now I'm cycling back to the hotel. It's like a half hour, 6 kilometers from here. Out of the train station, it's a long uphill slope. You need to cross the small part of the tunnel, but inside have the light. It's good. Very close, just nearby. This one. Checking. Morning. Just guess where am I? Now I'm going to pick my street deliveries. It's like BRT. That's a bus station, bus stop. There's a train just parking in front of this supermarket.
So my 2 packages haven't arrived yet. I plan to cycle along the river first, then come back to pick it up this afternoon.
Explore this small city.
This ancient Buddhist temple was built during the Yuan dynasty and is the only ancient temple remaining in Yichang city. On my way to Xinjiang Park, I met a fellow cycling enthusiast and we took a picture together by the river.
而且它这有专门的这种骑行的道路。
Afterwards, we cycled 4 kilometers along the riverside park, chatting about our cycling experiences.
这里开车要40多分钟。
哦，就在附近。
This statue commemorates the Yichang evacuation, which took place from October to November 1938 and aimed to honor the martyrs who bravely sacrificed their lives for national liberation.
Look at the view behind me. Stunning view. 我坐船的地方应该不是这儿，他跟我说是在旁边一个县里面，不是在这儿坐船。
So next to us is Yichang Port Pier number 9, also known as the Three Gorges Tourist Center. which is an important tourist hub in
现
Yichang.
在骑下来就小的一个人哦。
We continued cycling forward, and she explained to me the precautions for long-distance cycling, the necessary equipment, and where to find supplies. Afterward, we parted ways and went back to hotel to check out.
Already packaged all my gears, all my stuff, and this afternoon we're gonna catch that ferry. We're gonna all together waiting for the bus at 5:30 p.m. Come here to pick my delivery. I buy some energy powders. Sure. All right. Left side. You guys can guess how much does this cup of coffee flavor with some coconut? It's only 4 yuan, $0.6 after coupon. Okay. 被拦截了. This area is forbidden to ride a bicycle. Super chill out there.
Since there was still 2 hours before boarding, after finishing my meal, I continued cycling along the riverside park, slowly making my way to the visitor center. I parked my bicycle at the riverside park and went in. Only found many elderly men playing chess and cards.
哇，太猛了！这得多宽啊？这河
9公米，900多米。
小1000米，你游过来得多久啊？30分钟，半个小时。I just catch another guy who just swimming across the river. So that brother tell me that the width of this long river is 900 meters. So go and come back will cost half an hour. 滑是吗？ So now I'm gonna go to the tourist center to change the ticket. Waiting for the bus. Took me to another dock. Waiting for the boarding. Estimated like 7 p.m. It's the biggest supermarket in front of me, and that side is the tourist center. I'm queue to change the ticket.
你这个车可以折吧？不行。让他过来吧，让他想想招吧。
给。
真是奇妙的旅程。
After having my ticket checked, I boarded a lift-equipped carriage that would take us down to the dock below.
Here we go. There's two big ferry. One is called Huaxia. Another one is called Golden. The Golden is the ferry I'm gonna take. 这黄金呢？
黄金穿过这个船道。
穿过这个船 ，OK。It's a gym. It's a small elevator.
你一个人就占满了。
我一个占满了，不好意思。
哎，咱们挤一挤，那挤才能进。对，走不下去，但有下一趟了，这也快还是近。